I have my IPMAT exam. पेपर इतना easy था. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. It's finally the day I've not been waiting for at all. It's 16th of July, the Friday, and I have my IPMAT exam. Am I prepared for this? But I don't want to be a negative person, so I'm gonna give it my best shot. I'm gonna try to give my best to this exam and do how much ever I can, how much ever I know, and just hope for the best, and we'll see what happens. And we're going to all be positive, and hopefully I am going to make it through. I'm going to try, and yeah, I'm gonna talk to you after I give the exam because I don't really have much to say. My center is literally 1 hour away, so I have to leave quite early as well. And yeah, let's go. Back home and I've changed and everything. I gave the test of course and मैंने पहली vlog बना लिया था because I knew people are going to ask me how was your IPMAT exam, how was your experience, this that, and I'm also very tired. This whole exam procedure took me 4 hours, like 2 hours ऐसे आने जाने में हो गया, and then like the exam was only 1.5 hours, so I'm tired. And as for my exam, I was just say कि बस हो गया, you know, like I'm done. I don't want to stress out about the result कि आएगा कि नहीं आएगा because honestly कोई फायदा नहीं है. So I've like done it. I mean I'm not gonna say कि पेपर इतना easy था, मुझे सब कुछ आता था, like absolutely not, but I feel like I did how much ever I knew. तो मतलब जो हो गया वो हो गया. Anyway, it can't be changed, so I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm not gonna say कि हाँ मेरा पेपर इतना अच्छा था कि ओहो पक्का है, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But you know, we'll wait and watch. But yeah, that's my update of the exam. I really don't know what to say. Obviously, an exam like IPMAT is not going to be easy. Like that, I think that's pretty obvious. And also, like so many people give this exam and only 100 are selected, which is crazy. Like मेरे एग्जाम सेंटर के रूम में ऑलरेडी 500 तो बच्चे मिनिमम होंगे, एंड देन मेरे एग्जाम सेंटर पे देवर आई एम अज्यूमिंग मिनिमम ऑफ 2 हॉल्स. अगर उससे ज्यादा हो तो पता नहीं, लेकिन 2 तो पक्का ही थे. तो लाइक 1000 तो मेरे एक सेंटर में थे, एंड सो मेनी पीपल गिविंग दिस एग्जाम, सो लॉट ऑफ कंपटीशन एंड स्टफ इज देयर. ठीक है, एनीवे लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस, एंड देयर इज नो पॉइंट अबाउट स्ट्रेसिंग. अगर तुमने भी आईपीमैट एग्जाम दिया है, सो अब तो जो होना था वो हो गया. यू कांट चेंज दैट. सो लेट्स बी नाउ. अब पार्टी करो अगर तुम्हारी कोई एंट्रेंसेस और बच्चे नहीं है तो, बिकॉज मेरे तो नहीं है. एज ऑफ now I do have IPU and DU का पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, so that's the only like colleges that are left for me, so now I can chill. Anyway, so also if there's one thing that I would tell my like juniors basically जो भी अभी 11th 12th में है, if there's one thing, please start preparing for IPMAT already if you are like very serious and passionate about it. If like IIM is your only goal and तुम्हें यहीं जाना है and it is like you really want to go to IIM, please start early. It is going to be so helpful. Last के 2 महीने में it's not like तुम नहीं कर सकते हो, but it's also like तुम्हें बहुत dedicated होना पड़ेगा, and especially you all are going to be having the boards next year for sure. तो इससे अच्छा start preparing पहले से. It's going to be so helpful for you to do the syllabus आराम से, तो you have a lot of time that will really increase your chances, you know, of doing well in the exam. And yeah, now I'm gonna chill because अब exams खत्म हो गए हैं as of now. And as to what I'm gonna do today, I'm thinking The Never Have I Ever का season 2 is launched on Netflix. So I'm planning to watch that. I'm kind of excited to see क्या है. So I think I'm gonna be binge watching that today. And yeah, oh wait, I have to show you guys something really cool. I ordered it recently. Wait, let me show you that. This is what we ordered. We ordered a new speaker for us. It's the Bose plug-in to Nirvana. Oh boy, the sound quality, the bass, the loudness, like everything, it's just top notch. Like you can't beat this. Obviously it's Bose, I mean it has to be amazing, but it is so good. The speaker, oh god, I'm already in love with this. First of all, it looks so pretty, like look at the design, and it's actually waterproof. It has this hook kind of a thing on top of it too. So good. Let me like play a song and show you. Obviously non-copyrighted because we don't want to be copyrighted here. It's literally vibrated. I mean obviously it's not even on full volume, and that's how loud it is already, so you can imagine. Also, in case you're wondering, it's their Stone 260 Bluetooth speaker, like that's the model name basically. It has an SD card slot as well. So It's been a while actually. I had my lunch and stuff and I'm so sorry for this bad lighting. I really can't fix it. In case you don't know, I'm sitting in my hall right now. And as I said, I'm going to be watching some Netflix and I'm going to be watching Never Have I Ever because the season 2 release, I guess, it's like yesterday only, I think 15th July. So I'm going to be watching that right now. If you have watched it, definitely let me know. Do you like the show? What do you think about it? And are you planning to watch that if you haven't already? And yeah, I'm going to be watching the show right now on this huge screen in front of me because why not? I'm just too bored of watching everything on my laptop. And yeah, that's the plan. Let's do this. That's the first show that's appearing here. Yep, season 2 episode 1. I made it through like 3 episodes and so far so good. I mean, it's a good time pass show to watch. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting episode 4 now. I'm back home obviously and I'm still watching the show. I'm on episode 8 right now, so 3 more episodes to go. So I have finished the show. I finished season 2 as well, all the 10 episodes, and it was pretty good. I mean, if you liked season 1 only, then you're gonna like season 2. Otherwise, if you actually think about it very deeply, it's a very stupid show, but it's just fun to watch. So if you're bored and have all the time in the world, you can watch it. But anyway, I enjoyed watching this. So yeah, maybe I would rate it a 7 on 10. I don't really think I'm gonna be doing anything else now. I'm gonna only edit this video because it is going up tomorrow. I mean, basically the day you're watching it. So I need to edit this video real quick. So yeah, that's it for my short little vlog. I basically made this video to kind of film my entire experience of giving the IP MAT exam. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I might upload a bonus video this week, so definitely turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on new videos. If you made it till here, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.